I've got a cold. Hi everyone and welcome back to Raining Cake. So today's video is going to be an updated everyday makeup routine. I realise I haven't done one of these for a while and my makeup routine has changed since the last time, so I thought I would film another one for you. So this is the look, and I'm going to head straight in to show you how I created it, and I really hope you enjoy it. So I'm going to start off by priming my skin with the Mercier Foundation Primer. Next I'm going to use the Clarins Everlasting Foundation with my Real Techniques buffing brush and really blend in the foundation. This foundation is super smooth upon application and really gives me a nice flawless base. Next I'm going to conceal with the No7 Concealer. And using my ecoTools concealer brush, I will start blending it in. Next I'm going to dust some powder with the MAC Studio Blend and my ecoTools large powder brush. And then I'm going to bronze with the Bourjois Delice de Soleil bronzer and a MAC powder brush. Next I'm going to use a Charlotte Tilbury Bronze and Glow to contour my face, and I find this powder really lovely to use. It's really finely milled and really blends in really nicely. Next I'm going to prime my eyes with the Smashbox Photo Lid Eyeshadow Primer, just placing 2 dots and then blending in with my fingers. Then I'm going to use the Bourjois eyeshadow quad. So I'm going to use the lighter shade just for the base. And then I'm going to place the darker shade just on the outer corners of my eyes. Next I'm going to line with the Revlon Colorstay Gel Eyeliner. This eyeliner has a little brush at the top of the eyeliner and it really gives me a defined winged look. And then place it along my lash line to give it a bit more depth. Next I'm going to put some mascara on. I'm going to first curl them with my Uemura curlers. Then apply the Fairydrops Mascara. Next I'm using the Baremineralsl Fame and Defined Eyebrow Pencil just to draw the outline of my brows. Then I'm going to use the Urban Decay Brow Box to shade in my brows. This is a really nice powder and really gives me the dark, strong brow I have always loved. Next for highlighting, I'm going to go back to my Charlotte Tilbury Bronze and Glow and use a highlighting powder to define my cheekbones and the bridge of my nose. Next I'm using the MAC Skinfinish in Stereo Rose as a blusher. Lastly I'm going to apply the Sleek Pout Polish in the shade Powder Pink to my lips. This is a really nice natural pink shade, just perfect for everyday look. And that's my finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye. Oh, help. Got my hot chocolate in a centre cup. Don't know if I should be drinking hot chocolate when you're ill. Are you? Tastes so good though. Hungry as well. Got my little brunch bar. Hi everyone and welcome back to Raining Cake. I'm sorry about my voice, I'm a little bit ill at the moment, but yeah, so you might... What am I saying that for? I should just do my normal intro, right? Okay, I'll start again. This is dedication. Ill, hungry, filming. I'm going to take some tablets. Ugh. So it's so noisy outside. What is going on? Hi everyone and welcome back to Raining Cake. So today I have an updated, yeah, I'll start again. Smooth and just really easy to style, and yeah, so I really love this. That's all I